Here's what I want to tell you about the real estate market. It is not what we expected for 2026. And you can easily get discouraged by everything that's going on in the marketplace. For example, the rates, the buyers being extra picky, deals not coming together or falling apart, sellers not making decisions, the war in Iran, and all kinds of other stuff. Let's see. Oh wait, the cost, the high cost, inflation, and people's not so great attitudes. I don't know. There's so many things that you can just throw your hands up in the air about. But here's what I want to tell you. If you just keep doing the work, and you put your head down, and you just keep showing up. Because here's the thing. You don't know when things are going to change, like when things are going to shift. And so if you just keep going and doing the work, eventually things are going to happen. Because I know for a fact people are kind of giving up and they're putting their hands in the air and they feel defeated. And I get it. I get it. Like, if I can show you my board here, if you can see, like I'm up to 168 appointments for the year already. And it's a lot of work. And I expected more things, more listings to come on live, and they haven't yet, the ones I expected. And so I can't do anything about that. All I can do is talk to more people, or the people that are ready to list now. And that's what you can do. You can talk to more people. The more people you talk to, the better outcome you are going to have. And we don't know when the outcome is actually going to happen. So I remember a time back, gosh, I want to say it was well more than 10 years ago. And I had a period of time where for 6 weeks I didn't get any listings. I had closings, but I didn't get any new pendings and no new listings for a 6-week period. I was really, really, really scared. I was kind of freaking out. And I remember that time, and I remember what happened. I remember that all of a sudden, like a vein hit, pop, exploded. And I had all this business. Oh, Chip's calling me. And I had all this business that started to come in. And so if we just continue to do the work and you show up every day and you put 150% effort in, eventually things are going to come in your favor. They just are. It's just how the world works. So the advice I can give today is just keep going. Just keep doing the work, head down. You know, the other thing is too, like being happy for what you have right now, being in gratitude for what you have, being in gratitude that you have the opportunity, and that changes things. You know, I could be down in the dumps too. I was last week, a couple days, a week before. I didn't feel that great either, and I made a decision this morning. I'm like, you know what? That has not helped me. I know this because I've been through this shit before and I know it. And I could tell you that when we're in gratitude, better things happen for us. We don't know what they're going to be, but all you can do is just keep on going. You keep on going. And yeah, 168 listing appointments already this year is a shit ton of appointments. No doubt. And I'm just going to keep going and keep doing the work, keep showing up. 23 years in and hasn't failed me yet. I know it's not going to fail me now, and I have no control over all the other shit going on in the market. No control over the war, the inflation, the rates, people's attitudes, people's lack of decision-making skills. None. I can just do the best that I can do, and that's all you can do. It's the best that you can do, so keep showing up, okay? And more this week on what's going on in this crazy real estate market. And I do think it's going to be a very volatile spring, and there's nothing we can do about it. So, except keep going.